What's up guys, Faisal here. Therefore, Samsung Z Flip line is the most popular foldable smartphone. It was the most popular foldable phone, not just for Samsung, but for the entire foldable phone segment, with 70% of the foldable phones Samsung sold last year being Z Flips. The Z Flip 4 was an iterative upgrade. They barely changed anything. But that won't be the case with the Galaxy Z Flip 5 as Samsung has two big upgrades planned for the handset. You see, when Samsung launched the original Z Flip back in 2020, people complained about the size of the cover screen. It was way too small to do anything. It's still the cover display that people complain about. But that will not be an issue on the Z Flip 5 because Samsung has decided to increase the cover screen size by more than 1 inch. Rose Young, the display analyst, mentions that the Z Flip 5 will come with a cover screen bigger than 3 inches. For context, the Z Flip 4's cover screen is 1.9, so that's a significant increase in size. To give you some more context, the cover screen of the Motorola is 2.7, so it's going to be even bigger than this. Oppo is also making their flip phone, and this is the official render of the phone. The size of the cover screen here is 3.26, so it's more likely the Galaxy Z Flip 5 will also have a similar cover screen style. This would mean information being presented on the cover display would be much easier to read. The next big upgrade is that Samsung will be introducing a new hinge design to the Z Flip 5, which would make the screen less visible compared to previous generations. Samsung did improve the crease appearance with the Z Flip 4, but compared to the competition, it's still not good enough. So glad that Samsung is going to address the issue. And not just the Z Flip 5, he also says the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will also see its crease minimized with a new hinge design. Samsung will likely use the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 Plus for the Z Flip 5 and Fold 5, which is going to be super efficient, which ultimately means better battery life. But still, I hope Samsung increases the battery size to compensate for the increase in screen size. Another area where Samsung really needs to get it right with the Z Flip 5 is the price. $999 is not too bad considering the technology, but if Samsung really wants to make the foldable phones replace their regular phones, then they need to bring that price down. Maybe $899 could set the tone. With that said, the Galaxy S23 Ultra will see a lot of big upgrades, and here's another one that makes it tougher than ever. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Technology in the Future. Until the next video, take care of yourself. Bye bye.